Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to hide display recent templates on home screen's Google Docs on computer. So how to hide display recent templates on home screen's Google Docs on computer. Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to Google Docs on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of Google Docs. Just point the cursor to the top left of the screen. Here there are several menu icon options. Tap this three-line icon. Now several options will appear. And tap the Settings menu. Now you will enter the Settings menu. Here there are lots of options. On Display Recent Templates on Home. Tap to deactivate it. When finished, tap OK. Deactivating this feature functions to hide the display of the latest templates on the Google Docs home screen, keeping the appearance neater and more private. So that's it, tutorial how to hide display recent templates on home screen's Google Docs on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.